uh, install hasha. We'll do is we'll use this module and from our URL let's create a particular hash using this method. By default our encoding so we will do hasha URL options algorithm MD5. It would be the fastest. We don't need security a lot right now. Okay, let's see how this works. So it's something like this, but it's a pretty long code, and I don't want such a long code. I want just 4 digits. This MD5 is in hexadecimal, so each letter can have only 16 characters. If I take 4 characters, so that would be 16 to the power 4, which is not a very big value. So how about we can use a base 64 encoding, which is 64 characters for each letter, and that means it will be 64 to the power 4, which is a lot of numbers, and that would be sufficient for us here. So if we encode it in base 64, let's see how that works. All right, so well, I need it to be in base 64, and basically I need to be in string. So what I can do is I want to convert this to base 64. Now if I need 4 digits of base 64, that is 64 to the power 4, that in hexadecimal would be around 16. If I take it around, so basically my limitation is this thing. So my numbers should be less than this particular value, number.maxsafe integer in JavaScript. Is this value. Now 2 to the power 53 minus 1 is the largest integer value that's possible in JavaScript, and I want to keep my numbers less than this because that way I can save my data in form of integers inside my database. So I take this number, and if I look at the hex value, or wait a second, let me take that number and let me convert decimal to hexadecimal. This particular number is 1FFFFF. Basically it means I can take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 digits, which means safely 13 digits of a hexadecimal number can be used as integers inside JavaScript. So what I'll do is I'll take this in let hash equal to md5, then hash for 13 bits, and see how that works. Okay, so that's about 13 digits of hexadecimal code. Now here also there won't be any collisions as such if we do something like this. Numbers are sufficiently large. Even if we take the first 13 digits, there are not going to be any kind of a collision here. So this code is fine. Now let's change this to an integer basically. So how this works is you can use parse int with a specified radix here. So let's say we change this code equal to parse int code and a radix of 16. Oh, I need to encapsulate that as a string. Cool. So we got our integer here, and let's say we do this. Now I want to convert this particular integer that we got, this one, to a base64 encoded string. So we use another node module for that, which is called radixer. You can change the radix of a number. So basically it can convert a number from a certain radix to a 64 radix number using the letters small a to z, capital A to z, and the number 0 to 9, and hyphen and underscore. So let me just install radixer here. Yeah, now what we can do is use this function radixer number to string, and here we go. um, let's see how this works. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here we go. A bit of a typing mistake from my side. Expected an answer. I think this should work. Yeah. So you got a base 64 encoded here. Um, First 10 digits. So what does this mean? Yeah, that still seems quite a large base 64 integer to me. How about we do let me instead remove the need for radixer here. Maybe I do that because